Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Cutler Bay local and long distance movers near me. When it comes to moving within Cutler Bay, 3 Movers has you covered. Our Cutler Bay FL movers are well versed in the ins and outs of the city, from its streets and neighborhoods to its traffic patterns and regulations. Whether you're moving to a new home, apartment, or business location within Cutler Bay, our experienced Cutler Bay local TM movers will handle all the details with precision and care. From packing your belongings securely to coordinating transportation routes, we take the stress out of your move. You can trust us to navigate Cutler Bay's unique aspects and make your transition smooth and hassle-free. Long-distance moves require more planning and coordination. Free Movers ensures the safety of your items through careful packing, utilizing high-quality packing materials, and securing them in our well-maintained trucks. Our experienced drivers take the most optimal routes and adhere to strict schedules to ensure timely delivery. Also, our team is trained to handle all types of items, from fragile valuables to bulky furniture, with care and expertise. We take pride in our commitment to customer satisfaction and making your move successful. When it comes to pricing, 3 Movers understands the importance of budgeting. We offer transparent and competitive pricing tailored to your specific needs and budget. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cutler Bay moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.